Welcome to TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In today's video, we are diving into the Provincial Political Contribution Tax Credits. What is the Provincial Political Contribution Tax Credit? Just like the federal tax credit, making eligible contributions to political entities in your province can give you a tax credit and help reduce your tax liability. However, the rates and limits vary across different provinces and territories, so it's important to understand how it works in your province. Let's break down how it works in Ontario, but keep in mind the numbers vary across provinces. Tax credit rates in Ontario. For contributions up to $465.60, you get 75% back as a credit. For contributions between $465.60 and $1,552, you will receive 50% on the portion over $465.60 and add $349.20. For contributions over $1,552, you'll receive 33.33% on the portion over $1,552, plus $892.40. Maximum credit. The maximum credit for Ontario political contributions is $1,552, which is reached by contributing $3,531 or more. Other provinces may have different rates and limits, so make sure to check the rules specific to your province or territory. Reporting on your tax return. To claim your provincial political contribution, you will enter the total amount on the appropriate line of your provincial tax form. For Ontario, you will use line 63110. The credit will automatically be calculated based on the total amount you contributed. If your contributions are over $3,531, you will enter the maximum credit amount of $1,552. For contributions below that, you can use the provincial worksheet in your tax software to calculate the credit. Now, let's see how to report that in TaxTron Web. First, log into the TaxTron Web platform. Head over to the T1 Client section and select an existing client. From there, create a new return for this specific client. Before proceeding, make sure that the Personal Information section under Identification is complete and accurate. This is a crucial step to ensure everything is filed correctly. Next, navigate to the Income tab and locate the Profile tab. You will need to answer yes to the question. Did you work in 2023? And checkmark the tile with T4 and click Next. You will land on T4 step. Complete the T4 by entering the amounts shown in Box 14 and Box 22, $57,800 in Box 14, and $8,300 in Box 22. After completing the T4, now, navigate to the Other Deductions profile under Additional Deductions, which can be found in the Main Deduction tab. Select the Political Party Contribution tile, click Next, and enter $1,200 in the Amount field under Contribution Made to Provincial Political Party. Click Next to continue. Once the return is completed, make sure to review it carefully for any errors before proceeding to the final step. When you are ready, navigate to the Review and File page. Download a copy of the record keeping for the tax return and scroll down to the On Credits form on 479. Where your $1,200 contribution would show on line 63110 and using the Ontario tax credit rates, the calculated credit would be $716.40. So let's see how this is getting calculated for the credit for a contribution of $1,200 in Ontario. First, subtract $464 from your total contribution. $1,200,465.60 is equal to $734.40. Calculate 50% of the next $734.40. 734.40 by 50% equals 367.20. Add $349.20 to that result. 367.20 plus 349.20 is equal to 716.40. So, the total credit for a $1,200 contribution would be $716.40. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.